Hey everyone, this is Beck, and today I have a full set of INOSOUL from Pop Mart, and it's in the Still Room series. So I've never opened INOSOUL before, but the IP looks really good, so I thought I'd have a look. There should be 12 boxes in here, so let's just get them out. Actually, let me just bring this forward so you can see the ones that are available. We have the Ghost Sanctuary, the Forgotten Statue, the Ship of Memories, the Song of the Soul, the Wax Seal, the Moon in the Mirror, the Moving Castle, the Portrait, the Traveller, the Lonely Light, Rubies in the Cabinet, and the Unfinished Story, and a Secret, I believe. All right. Some are definitely heavier than others. Okay. Let's put this box in the background. Alright, let's just crack into these. They feel small, so I wonder if there's other bits to it. Let's see who we got here. Okay, we have what looks to be like a lamp. He has orange hair, butterfly on his eye, butterfly here. There's a little dangly bit here as well, which I can't seem to get the sticky off. I don't want to break it. There we go. There's more butterflies. It looks like it lights up, so if I take this out and turn the thing on, maybe not. Take this off as well. Maybe it's flat. I think it might be flat. Oh well, I got it directly from Pop Mart, so I wonder how long it's been sitting there. Okay. Do you want to even sit with that thing in there? Take it out. Alright, what else we got in there? Some instructions, which just pretty much tells me to pull it out and switch it on. So the battery's flat, but embed the stars within my being, illuminating the moth's flapping wings. The Lonely Light. Okay, next one. Okay, this one also has some, and looks like a little lonely person. Oops. Sitting on like a wave, and there's a boat at the back. He's wearing a little sailor boy outfit. Let's pop you up there. So the Ship of Memories. And it says, memories pushed away by the waves, waiting in the sway for the next shore. All right. Oh, I hope that doesn't mean it. I think these heads are meant to come off. There we go. So we have a little trumpet player, and he has a little regal, or I don't know, jester court outfit. His pink hair, and it looks like he has a bass. Okay. How does this work? Okay, so he has a little base, and he has 2 little cuts with him as well. That's cute. What do we got here? Notes drift through time, leaving only echoes of shadows. And here is the Song of the Soul. Okay. Oh. Is this? Oh, this comes off as well, I think. Yep. So we have a little box, and it has a heart showing up in it, and a little cowboy hat. What else have we got in here? We have the love is gently tucked away in the deepest corner of memory. And we have rubies in the cabinet. I don't know where the ants are coming from. Okay. All right, we have another one that's got protection on it. And this time we have a little guy hanging underneath a table with a planter on it. So he's hiding out in his nightgown. And he is the Ghost Sanctuary. This corner of white is their final refuge. All right. We're halfway. I saw some extras in here, so what do we got here? How does this come off? This one. All right. He looks like a little soldier. Got like a armor on. So it looks like he'll have a base as well. Alright, so it has a base. And also, where does this go? So it has, oops, it fits in to the directly into the base with the name. I think it's like a stamp almost, see, but it sits directly on there. And he has a little sword. Okay, so your card. Flames turn wax into a red vow, guarding the secrets of the past. And you are the wax seal vow. That's cool. Oh, heavy. Okay, so we've got what looks to be like a fox sitting on a paper plane, carrying a briefcase, house briefcase. I've got a bag like this. Tie flying. And what else you got in here? Huh, this is what made it so heavy. Geez. Your card. Encapsulate memories within the room, carrying them always with you. And here's the traveller. That was tricky. I thought it was going to be heavy. It was heavy, but it was just that stuff. Oh, this one's lovely. I love it. It's got like copper vines with flowers or roses sitting on a concrete column, or just a column. And the forgotten statue. And it says, statues bloom with roses, falling into the depths of time, sinking into forgotten dreams. All right. This is another heavy one, but I reckon it's probably the same sachet of thing making it heavy. Or not. The sachet's tiny, so it's heavy on its own. Oh, it's a book. Cool. And then it opens up, and we have our, this is the one that's on the front of the cover. And we have our little curled up inner soul. And it sits in there like that. And your card. Okay. A lost book, an unfinished story. The unfinished story. Okay. What have we got here? It looks like there's multiple parts to this too. Okay, we have a little crouching boy with the blue hair and a little beret with a feather. Looks like he's pointing at something. Okay, so we have this. We have a really big bag of that stuff. And is this another one that lights up? Okay, let's have a look. It does. So if I turn it on, this one's actually got the light. Yay. So it just sits on here, I think. See the little light. Turn it off. Okay, and we have, upon the silver lake, a white reflection gradually rises. And the moon in the mirror. All right, second last one. Okay, does this come off? So this one has what looks to be like a castle on its head and on its shoulders, and like a cape. And it must have a base because it's got holes in its feet. Railway tracks, or no, not railway tracks. It's just a pathway. So just walking on a pathway. Cool. The card says, "Oh, countless nights when stars cascade, I walk alone along the infinite edge." And that's the moving castle. And this is the last box, very light one. Aha, very pretty. So they're looking through a frame, wearing green to match their hair and a green beret, with the birds holding the frame or on the frame. And it must have a base. It's a little swoosh. How does this go? There we go, a little swoosh. And a touch of white leaps out, awakening the sleeping painting. And it is the portrait. Now let's zoom in on all of our INOSOULs. And let's see, my favourites would be this one here. And I think I really like the book and possibly the castle. So those three would be my favourite ones. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favourite.